Well, hello everybody. Welcome back to Reviews of Moose. I have got another review to do today, an unboxing review. This company has quickly become one of my favorite caps as far as baseball cap style type things, trucker caps. And as most of you guys know, I'm a huge fan of the trucker caps. I've already done 3 reviews for this in the past, for this company in the past. I did the Heathcliff, the Barney Rubble, and the Snagglepuss was my first 3 I've done. And so, with that being said, I ended up purchasing another one. And this is from Overlord Caps. They come out with these pretty cool boxes that comes in. Really nice. High quality box. And they also seal every one of them. So that's kind of cool as well. So with that being said, this one here, I'm thinking I know what it is, but last time I guessed and I guessed wrong. So I'm not going to guess what's in the box until I open it. But I'm sure it's going to be another nostalgia type cartoon from the 70s and 80s that I used to love watching after I got home from school. You know, and it brings back that nostalgia, stress-free life, just having fun as a kid, being outside playing. These kids nowadays, I don't even think they even go outside and play. I think they just go watch, they're on their phones, they're walking zombies, most of them. At work here, I train kids at work, and they have no people skill because they're addicted to their phones their whole life and they never had to have in-person conversations. So with that being said, I love these caps. Brings back the nostalgia. Let me go and unseal it here. And there's the inside. And yep, this is one of the ones I was looking forward to. Oh yeah, it just brings a smile to my face seeing this one. How many people remember the Hanna-Barbera cartoon with the shark that had little walking feet on his little fins? And his name was Jabberjaws. I got Jabberjaws. How cool is this? Let's go ahead and open this up a little bit because I already know I got to open that up. And this is Jabberjaw. Who remembers this guy? And he had that really high pitch kind of sound like one of the Three Stooges. We got the Hanna-Barbera there. We got the red brim. Nice baby blue. And then we got blacks and like a little bit more of a darker blue. But yeah, Overlord logo on it. We got the Overlord and Hanna-Barbera tickets that are attached to it. You get these at overlordcaps.com. I like how they got that red and the blue. That looks pretty good together. Let's go ahead and try this bad boy on. There it is. This is the Jabberjaw from Hanna-Barbera, Jabberjaw Trucker Cap from Overlord Caps. Great looking cap. And again, this is just a nostalgia type feeling that I get. And it just brings an automatic smile to my face because it brings back those childhood memories. You know, I would go back, I would give anything to go back just one day and live that childhood again. Also, I'd probably invest in a couple stocks, and that way I wouldn't be having to do much of anything in life right now. But yeah, so anyway, Jabberjaw it is, Hanna-Barbera, great looking cap. One of my, these caps are just great. I've done 3 reviews. I did the Heathcliff, the Barney Rubble, the Snagglepuss, and now I got Jabberjaw. I love them. And like I said, it's that nostalgia type feeling. As you can see, I'm a big Master of the Universe fan. Again, this is Reviews of Moose here. Please like, subscribe. Let me know what you guys think of this Jabberjaw cap. Everybody have a wonderful day, and I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for tuning in.